Well, I do give some examples on how to help them by pointing out, let's say, oh, what is it that you want help on, right? What kind of work, okay?
Mm-mm.
And then, oh, this is a tool. But what I focus on more is really on how to harness the power of generative AI, because that alone is a very powerful AI tool. And you
Yes.
have lots to choose from. There's ChatGPT, there's Gemini, there's Grok, there's Claude, there's DeepSeek, and more are coming out as we speak,
Mm.
right? No, but it's really figuring out how best can I harness this power, and that's what I
Mm.
teach. Because the secret in communicating with this generative AI is really in how you craft your prompt. They,
Mm.
I keep on telling people this Gen AI, although they are called artificial intelligence, they're not really intelligent.